Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam privacy settings for your Steam ID. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and hover your mouse over your username and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can view your activity, games, and public information. Now that you're on your profile page, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a button that says Edit Profile. Click on this button to access your profile customization options. This is where you can modify various aspects of your profile, including your privacy settings, background, and other personal details. Once you click Edit Profile, a new page will open with multiple settings and customization options available to you. On this new page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with different categories. Look for the option labeled Privacy Settings and click on it. This section is specifically designed to control who can view your profile information and gaming activity. It's an important area for managing your Steam presence and deciding how much information you want to share with other users. Once you're in the Privacy Settings section, you'll see several options that control different aspects of your profile visibility. The first option you'll encounter is My Profile. Right beside this label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll be presented with three options: Public, Private, or Friends Only. Select the option that best matches your preferences. If you choose Public, anyone on Steam can view your profile. If you select Private, only you can see your profile information. And if you pick Friends Only, only people on your Steam friends list will have access to view your profile. Next, look for the option labeled Game Details. Just like before, you'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down menu, and again you'll have the same three choices: Public, Private, or Friends Only based on your preferences. This setting specifically controls who can see your game library, playtime, achievements, and other gaming statistics. Choose the privacy level that you're most comfortable with for sharing your gaming information. And that's it. You've now adjusted your Steam privacy settings and have full control over who can view your Steam ID and gaming details. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.